Hello connections. Hi, I'm Ashwin Kumar Verma, and in this particular video, I have made a dashboard on Power BI, which is the data is market business market approximately. We can see that. So quickly, I have let me go through your to you my data set, and this is the actual dashboard. And this is the CSV file of Microsoft Excel which contains our whole data. So let me show you where I have taken this data. So for data I have taken this from Kaggle. So it's a global super store dataset, and it contains three datasets: order, peoples, and return. Order have 51,219 rows, and the people has 13 rows, and return has 1,173 rows, and the total columns in the order is 24, people 2, and returns 3. So 18 MB data we have to quickly download. I have already downloaded, and uh, this is the data. I'll quickly throw to my data set. So this is the actual data which contains row ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, postal code, city, state, country, region, market, product, category, subcategory, product, sales, quantity, discounts, profit, shipment, or order priority. So this is the order data set. This is the return data set, and this is the people data set, which contains peoples and region. This one is the order region and return. So what I have done is quickly I have to open the Power BI. This is the loaded data on the Power BI desktop, and this is the data set which I have filtered here as per my requirement. So when I am operating to this data set, I have seen that postal code is empty. So, I haven't used in any tab in my dashboard. So regarding the postal code, so that's why I have leave it empty. So if I have to use it, I must fill it to with with some numbers, which is very hectic if the data set is full empty. So in my data set, there are two missing columns which I have to made, and it's very necessary to uh, analyze the Power BI. The first is the delivery date, and the second is year. The delivery date I have used the formula is the ship ship date minus order date, which gives me 19th November to 24th November, which gives me 5 days. So let me see the okay. This is the five. The total shipment days it take is 5 days, and the another one. Let me see, 14th July and 20th July. Then it gives me 6 days. So okay, 6 days is here. So that's why from this method we have calculated. I have calculated the delivery data. Sorry, delivery days uh, in the whole column. Okay. Same day delivery date is 0. So somewhere I have seen right now is 0. Okay, this one is 0. Uh, in this line, okay, as we see that 11 September to 11 September, it gives me 0. So that's why it states 0. It's a 1 day delivery. So, and the last one is the year, which is very important for my data set and for my dashboard creation. The year of order or year of delivery both are same, so that's why I have taken either we can take this either order date or a ship date. The We have to filter the year from this one, so I have filtered the order date, so that's it gives me the order date, order year. Same, I have modified the second file, which is the people. Sorry, no, which is the returns. Returns here we have seen that we got yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. But luckily here is all are yes. So that's why whether if any uh, returns is 0, no, it gives me 0 output. So what I have done is if I have put the condition here, if if yes, then give a result 1, otherwise 0. So if or else condition I have used here. So that's all from the file filter side. So let me quickly share to you the dashboard of which I have created. So this is the actual dashboard which I have created. So here we can see that the sum of the sale is 3.41 million dollar, and the sum of the quantity is 48.14 thousand, and the average delivery date is 4. The return order is 1079. Sales segment, sales market, top 7 customers, top 5 profits by product, and the top 5 profit by product. Okay, and the top. Okay, here we can the let me change the Okay, top five loss by products, top five by loss by profit by product, and this is the sum of the sales by region. It's a region wise. So, so this is the year. If I click to the 2012, the all the numbers and the data has changed, and it adjusts according to the year 2012, and same for 13, the data changed. The same for the 14, data also changed. Same for the 15, the data changed, modified as the 2015 data set or 2015 data. So from here we make a decision. Let me example. Uh, if you haven't understand yet what I have done till now, so we can you can understand like it's a Amazon sales data. So whatever Amazon is selling or sold to a particular 2022, the whole data is here. So the Amazon sale, sum of the sale whole the year is 4.30 millions. Sum of the quantity is 60,000, and the average days of delivery is 4. Return order is total. This one is returned to the Amazon factory. And the sales segment, sales by market, top seven customer. Top seven customer is Raymond, Jenny, Tom, Bills, Hunter, Rich, and Patrick. Same for 2014. Okay, as we can see here, see the as 2014 the top seven customer is someone else. Same as for 2013 and same as for 2012. So here we can also see that the top loss side is the office star at X. Okay, I think the space is very low, very low. So that's why it says here. See, I have seen here dot dot dot. Okay, that's not a problem. But we from this data set and from this dashboard we can conclude that and we can able to take a major decision according to this data set. If it was a real, I made it a dummy project, worked on the dummy project, but as a real, all the companies take decision, major decision from this type of data set, either in the Tableau or in the Power BI. So I am proficient in both the application and Tableau and Power BI. Personally I liked most is Power BI because it gives a lot of flexibility to modify as your demand. Also in the it's also same in the Tableau, but Power BI is quite impressive and very realistic type, so anyone can understand it. And personally, I would like to recommend everyone to use once the Power BI with your own. So that's why uh, that's from all my side, from my side, and thank you.